have a little forest friend here. He's a cardinal. Very, very rare for them to come up to your hand. As you can see, he's on the forest floor and he's thinking about if I can be trusted enough. Come, baby. Come. Come. Come here. Yeah, you're a good boy. Come. Come. Yes, you're a good boy. Yes, you can have some food. Come here, little monkey. Come. Come. I hear you. You're such a pretty boy. Well, come on. Come. I've got your food. I've got your food. Come here, baby. Come. Come, baby. Oh, good boy. Here we have a beautiful forest cardinal. And they very rarely come and eat out of your hand. Very, very rare. This is the first time this has ever happened to me. This little guy is taking food back to his nest, I think. Pretty wonderful experience since he's eating more than one little piece of food. Awesome way to start the morning here on my Friday walk. Nice and cool out. Little time with a wild cardinal. I'm in the forest. There are no bird feeders here. How cool was that?